Hello guys, welcome back to the workshop. I have a treat especial. No, that's the Canadian guy who said that. I have something for you to show. Let's, you remember, back in the day, yes, back in the, no, not too long ago, I restored a post vise or a blacksmith's vise. That's what we've got over there, not important. Today I have something bigger. That vise weighs 45 kilos. That's a big vise. It's a pretty big post vise. Today I have something bigger that I need to restore. It is a vise, it is a machinist's vise or a bench vise. Though I'm not sure what kind of bench you would attach this to because it's... Yeah, let's just show you. This is a vise. It weighs 70 kilos. That's more than me. Let's go. Okay, so we have this vise. What is wrong with it that we know of, I don't know how severe it is that when I first picked it up, this wouldn't turn. Now after transporting it, it will turn a little. Right? It won't turn anymore that way now. It will turn, it kind of turns, but not really. It's not happy, right? It moves a little bit, but it's not happy. So what we want to do is we want to figure out why is it so tough to move, and is there anything broken in here. So the only entrance I can tell is over here. So let's try and get this open. What's the problem? That's not how this works. Oh, there we go. I'm a strong man-child boy. I know how to turn things. We did it, read it. Something. There we go. Oh, it fell off. Those are some big knots I have here. Now this is interesting. We've got a washer. That's not interesting at all, I'm just messing with the camera guy. It's funny. Now we should be able to take this spindle out. Yeah, now it turns much better too. Okay, so what we're seeing here, we're seeing good things. The first thing you're seeing, it still has oil in it. That's nice, that's good, to some degree. The other thing we're seeing is that this screw here, these threads are not worn that much. I had feared that this would have cracked or be completely ruined, but it's actually not that bad at all. Now at some point this is going to fall out and hit someone somewhere unpleasant, but I'm just scaring the cameraman. Oh, it can already do that. Just... How do we... But this might take a little bit. What I've done is I've put it back together, and we're going to just try and force it with the screw, but it's very tight. So, oh, I'm stuck. Oh, look, god damn it. Ah, good luck. This is really dumb. Let's hope this does not fall through. There we go. Gotta wiggle this backwards. The biggest issue issue with this is the weight, or rather, my weakness. That is my biggest weakness. Heavy things. Goddamn table leg. Now we should, hopefully, well, I'll have to remove the screw. Very annoying. Good lord. Okay, there. Look at this grit in here. Look at this. That's not even, is that steel? Oh, there's a bolt there. There's a bolt. What is this? Oh, it's a secret bolt. What is this? There's something there as well. We'll have to unravel that once we get this out. Get out. No. I'm not. This is too big. Now, if this was working smoothly, this would drop down here. But it isn't, so it's not. Which is good right now for us, but if it works smoothly, we should be able to get it out like that. I have just no idea how the hell to do that without risking chopping off my feet or something. But I think it's something along the lines of... I'm gonna take one of these. This rolls, right? Piece of wood so we don't mar the surface. Can we do that? Does that work? I need a bigger hammer. Maybe a bigger piece of wood. So this is what my mom meant when she told me to eat my vegetables. So I'd be a strong boy. And I said, why do I need to be strong? There's no need, I just sit down all day. But no, I had to go on and do physical work. Goddamn mistake that was. Ow! Ooh, my thumb. I strafed my thumb. Okay. Be a big man. Be a big boy. You can do this. I am thoroughly questioning my life choices at this very moment.
How so?
I could have been anything I wanted, but I chose to hammer on old steel.
I feel your pain.
You don't do shit. You just hold a camera. What the fuck? It's still moving, slowly but surely. We will conquer this. And by slowly, I mean very slow. What the fuck? I think I need a new piece of wood. Maybe. Yeah, it's helping. It's moving, slowly but surely. Yeah. This is proving to be more difficult than I expected, so I'm saying fuck it, we're going to the anvil with it. That'll do it. We'll do heavyweight against heavyweight. How do I move this? We should have some clearance underneath here. Yes, we have a few centimeters of clearance. That should be helpful. Now, when this, there's a risk everything falls when I can be a little bit careful. This is ridiculously stupid. Oh, this is heavy. It is so close. It's so far. God damn it. I need to wear safety shoes for this too, but hey. I didn't like my toes that much anyway. My girlfriend thinks they're gross. Oh, we did it! The video's done. No, it's not done. It's not done. We just started. This is the first. Oh my god. Okay, we got it out. Now, had I not been a complete and utter moron, I would have cleaned this section up before I started pushing it through. But I didn't think that far, so lessons learned. Also, that was dangerous as hell for anyone who's about commenting like, oh, I should have had safety shoes on, you know, the metal plated ones, and not done this to begin with at all. But you make do with what you have. And the safety shoes that I have are too large, so the middle point don't cover anything of my foot, so it wouldn't help anyway. We did it. Let's get it back onto the table. Oh shit. So the next thing we need to do now, you can see this nut. Come closer, camera dude, come closer.
Yes.
I summon thee to the place of, you see this knot there? That's holding in something here that we want out so we can clean it. So I need to figure out how to get that knot out. It turns out I'm an idiot and there are no threads on this. I don't have to. It's almost as if I've experienced this before with a screw or bolt that didn't want to come out. Okay, can I get this out? Or am I just spinning this in place? Okay, one side is out. There we go. There were no threads in there. There we go. This looks like it's brass. It's very yellow. I don't know if that's actually the case. So it's been knocked here. It's got a bit of a crack. You probably can't tell. It's still a little bit difficult, but I got this underneath. You can see this. This isn't good. We don't want this. So we'll have to see how bad that is. But yeah, this is brass, which is weird. I think it's brass. There's a screw here, right there. Little, whatever. What does that do? What's that for? It's just. That goes into nothing. What it... Well, okay. So, we've got it completely disassembled as far as we can. The next thing we gotta do, I'm gonna take a wire brush and just get rid of as much of the grit and dirt as I can. See this? I thought that was steel. It isn't. Ugh. That is nasty. That is grease and gunk from many years of use. Alright, so we've done a rough cleanup of the individual parts, disassembled the entire thing, cleaned them up, and now we've moved on to the floor because we have huge chunks of steel that need a bit more aggressive cleanup. So there's nothing to it than get started. Go. Bam, that just slides right in. We did it. We restored this vise to something that is now more functional than it was before. Now, you might not agree with the oil, but I prefer the raw metal finish than the paint. Next step is I need to find a table to mount this on. I don't know how I'm gonna, the only table I have in here that is sturdy enough to mount it would be this, because it's pretty big. But it's old and it needs to be restored, and that is probably my next project, is restoring this table. Or at least that'll be a project soon. And if you like restoration videos, let me know. I can scavenge for more old tools to restore if you like these kind of videos. I certainly enjoy doing them. They're nice, stress-free projects, except for the parts where there's a large chance of me dropping a 70-kilo piece of metal on my feet. But besides that, yeah, maybe restoring this old table. It's really thick, so I can take off some of the thickness here and make it nice and good, and it'll be sturdy enough that I can maybe mount this on it. It'll be a bit overkill. Maybe I'll find something else. We'll figure it out. But I want to put this to good use. And if you know someone who's really into vices or big oversized tools, share them this video. Maybe they'll get a kick out of it, or maybe they'll think I'm a useless moron, just like my parents do. But we're trying to make and release videos for every Sunday, so you can expect, if you haven't noticed already, expect a video Sunday. That's when I pop them out. And I'll continue to do that for as long as I can, and maybe at some point even release more than one video a week. That would be nice. But yeah, it's just not the same without my cameraman though. It's so lonely. It's just me and my vices. One could say I'm left to my own devices. I don't know, that was a horrible joke. Oh my god, I need to edit this video.